Teacher Calls is a 1985 comedy directed by Charles Kaufman and starring David Orange, Barbara Marineau, Nicky Beim, Tina Marie Staiano, David Straitharn, Morey Amsterdam, Willie Mayes, G. Gordon Liddy, and Classy Freddie Blassie. The film opens with a baby carriage.
Baby bullets. Too young. Too tough.
Did I start the right fucking movie? Jesus.
Fast and loose and grabbed love very good.
That's horrifying.
He must be stopped. Bring in the infantry.
Okay, this shit is going way too long. There's more? This is a horrible sign.
Can I put it in your color? Put it inside. Put it in.
This is like a low-rent Kentucky Fried movie. Another one? Oh, a Raging Bull parody. Great.
You and the horse you rode in on, huh?
Me? No, you got it wrong. You.
10 minutes of fake trailers at the beginning of this thing tells me there's not enough movie here to actually call it a feature. That's it, isn't it? It's lunchtime for Greg, who gets a review and quits.
Take care of yourself, O'Malley.
Holy shit! Walmart, the early years.
Come on, hang in there, hang in there. Will we make it? Will we make it?
So is all this the movie, or is it just bullshit to pad until we get to an actual plot?
Reggie Jackson's.
Want a party?
Nikki, sweetheart, I told you. They're paying $5,000 a head for white women in Juarez. I know. Last year we got 6, but the peso is surging.
Come on, Teddy,
Look,
let's
just get the babes to the...
What the fuck? Then Mom and Dad announce, hey kids, we're moving to the sticks. Yippee! They pulled an Aunt Edna on Teddy's ass, didn't they? So is this the movie now? They're going to the sticks? I mean, it would make sense with the title. Today we would just medicate these kids. Driving.
Look, a deer!
More driving. Asshole in a Jeep alert. Boom, I stopped short. I bet most of the budget went to that sign. The 1982 all-terrain station wagon. I guess this is a good spot, so they valet their car and build a cabin. Uh-oh.
I rediscovered something I had forgotten.
The plot? Morey Amsterdam.
I remember a lot of things. You'll be amazed. Little things that people forget. Like, how many of us remember that Eleanor Roosevelt had great tits?
What the fuck? You stink. Run away! Run away! Then Bambi meets an elephant.
Sorry, Mother told me never to go out with circus people. Besides, who knows where that thing's been?
Words to live by. We paid for this elephant for a day. We damn well are going to use it.
The Russian Revolution.
More Morey Amsterdam.
Takes his pants down, he points to himself, he says, you see, that's a phallic symbol. Oh, he said, just like a cock, only smaller.
Mr. Amsterdam.
Now Bambi is frolicking around and finds a bear. Classy Freddie Blassie. There it is. There's a musical number that is intentionally terrible than this.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, why not parody Ingmar Bergman? And now we see David Straitharn needing to eat in the early to mid-80s.
Go get help, boy. Oh, squirt. Squirt. Squirt.
Surprised it took this long to do that bit. The movie's been pissing on the audience for a while now.
I could see plain as day that this fella had a broken leg, and maybe also a wounded knee.
Wah, wah.
Where the hell? Oh!
The hell? There's some training from Weejum. We're probably gonna get a Jaws ripoff.
There he is.
Yep. Why the fuck not with this movie?
Sorry. Excuse me.
What's going on up there?
It's a stag film.
Yo, down in front.
Kind of makes you want to do something, huh?
Yes, it does.
Well, what are you waiting for?
You hunk of fuck you.
You know, I think a lot of the plot revolves around interspecies erotica.
Hey, this looks like corn. What do you call it?
Maze.
Jesus Christ. This movie's too old for that joke. Is someone fighting a real cougar?
Squirt, go get help! Get help!
Oh, that cliche.
Squirt, you brought help!
Quit, dog! Quit! Are you crazy, honey?
What the fuck?
The Legion of Decency and the United Citizens for a Better Tomorrow have determined that continuous exposure to films of this nature may be hazardous to your health.
No shit? We're getting close. G. Gordon Liddy? What the fuck's he doing here? Then we get an intermission with a pro-cancer ad and fornicating hot dogs because there was never enough plot in this piece of shit to begin with.
Squirt, come back! Squirt, come back!
I really wish this cougar would eat this entire fucking family.
Needless to say, the family took brave little Squirt's disappearance very hard. And in the months that followed, we searched fruitlessly for our furry little friend.
Feels like I've been watching this movie that long. Oh, God. I guess the teddy bear was foreshadowing. Please, can you just drown me right there? Weejum eventually exits the movie, the lucky bastard, and we get the cougar back, I guess.
I mean, the cougar. To tell you the truth, before I started dating Coogie, I'd heard all the stories, too.
This thing really loves bestiality.
Why do you think you haven't given it enough time?
We've been here 2 years and we hate it!
So's the audience. There's an attack on the cabin, and yep, it's the missing dog. Everyone is eventually happy with the country, but Dad is ready to leave when this happens.
Are you sure it's absolutely new? No.
And coming this fall, it's Greg, Barb, Bambi Squirt, and little Billy Van Waspishes in Forever Outdoorsters. The saga continues.
Is talking about a series of sequels some kind of fucking threat?
In the toe-tappingest time you've ever had. Hear the movie, see the album, buy the t-shirt, use the ashtray. It's Outdoorsters in merchandising forever. And there's more.
Oh, thank Christ. This adventure of watching all the movies on USA Up All Night is so close to hitting 300 episodes. And this is a film that made me want to fucking quit. It's a piece of shit of universal proportions. It's a bunch of unfunny skits stitched together poorly. It's like they had some leftover shit from some other movie that may have been a hair bit funnier, so they just threw it all into this. And if it does get a laugh, we're gonna run that joke into the ground 10 fucking times. When Nature Calls is truly a movie that is all filler. From the trailers, to the intermission, to the useless cameos. Those people must work cheap because I saw dick all of a budget in the rest of this thing. It's almost like a couple of 13-year-old boys wrote this. Yeah, what if she fucked a bear? Yuck, yuck, yuck. I will give it this. The stripping for the teddy bear in the beginning of the film, that's good fucking foreshadowing. Watching this film is like being a gunshot victim. Honestly, if what they say is true and life is pain, then this film is life.
Get lost, you puke! I bet it's that dumb bear of yours coming back for sloppy seconds. Oh,